guys, it's Legit Kittens here, and welcome back to another video. So, I am on my back of AJ KatieGirl125, and I realized that I had a couple spare stuff on my back of AJ, so I decided, hey, why not do a giveaway since it didn't do a spike giveaway since it got hacked. So, I am deciding to do a giveaway on this Arctic and this designer skirt, this Cupid wing, and maybe, I don't know, and yeah, whatever it is, I don't know, but the giveaway will be ending once I hit, probably once I hit 40 subscribers. Cherry Blossom. So get entry for QT Angels art contest. She was doing an art contest? What happens if you're... She has cool... She has cool videos. Twisted Paw. Oh, I'm subscribed to her. Hey guys, it's Legit Kittens here, and welcome back to another video. So, I'm on my back of AJ KatieGirl123, and I looked at my inventory and I realized I had a few spare stuff from my last account, AJ Maggie, that I didn't really want. So, since I was supposed to do a giveaway on a Spike, I might as well do a giveaway on my Arctic hood, my designer skirt, maybe the Jamality scarf, and maybe the Cupid wings. Well, yeah, I might do the Cupid wings since I was supposed to do a Spike giveaway, but I got hacked last time, and I couldn't do it. So, the giveaway will be ending once I hit 40 or 50 subscribers. These are the people that have subscribed to me right now, and yeah, so it'll be ending once I hit 40 or 50, I don't know. But just comment down your username, and I will get that random picker, and yeah, so I'll be using a random picker for the thing, because I don't really like picking the winners because it just makes other people mad. So I'm just gonna pick a random, that random thing, a random picker. And yeah, so right now, Wolfclaw991 is already in. He told me that he wanted to enter, so he is entered right now. So yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway on that, and yeah. This is my real AJ, if you didn't know. This is my real AJ Maggie, and yeah, so my sister, I already know who she is because what is your boys? Probably like stuff. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.